staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the importance of taking care of our feet and knees, particularly when it comes to running and brisk walking. We'll cover everything from the crucial role of the foot and knee joint to the importance of proper running shoes, and why it's important to regularly replace them. Finally, we'll discuss some tips on taking care of our feet and knees, especially as we age, and why it's important to check in with our parents and loved ones to ensure they're wearing proper footwear. Part 1. The importance of the foot and knee joint. First, let's talk about the importance of the foot and knee joint. The feet are responsible for supporting our entire body weight and absorbing the impact of each stride when we walk or run. Meanwhile, the knee joint allows for a wide range of motion while supporting the body's weight and helps to absorb the impact of movements and provide stability. These joints are subject to a lot of stress and impact, particularly during exercise, which is why it is essential to wear proper footwear. Part 2. The importance of running shoes. Running shoes are essential for protecting our feet and knees during exercise. They are designed to provide adequate cushioning and support to absorb the impact of each stride. Choosing the right pair of running shoes is crucial, and it's important to consider the type of foot and the pronation of the runner and fast walker. Wearing the wrong shoes can lead to a variety of injuries, such as plantar fasciitis, shin splints, and knee pain. By investing in a good pair of running shoes, runners and fast walkers can prevent injuries and improve their overall performance. Part 3. The importance of replacing running shoes. Regularly replacing running shoes is crucial for maintaining foot and knee health. Even if the exterior of the shoes still looks new, the cushioning inside may have lost its effectiveness after about 6 months of regular use. Wearing shoes with worn-out cushioning can lead to foot and knee problems, particularly as people age. Therefore, it is important to replace running shoes after every 300 to 500 miles of use or every 6 months, whichever comes first. By regularly replacing running shoes and wearing proper footwear, we can protect our feet and knees and continue to lead active and fulfilling lives. Part 4. Taking care of the feet and knees. In addition to wearing proper footwear, there are other steps runners and fast walkers can take to protect their feet and knees. Stretching and warming up before a run can help prepare the muscles and joints for the impact of exercise. Strengthening exercises can also help build the muscles that support the feet and knees, reducing the risk of injury. Taking care of our feet and knees is particularly important as we age, and by investing in good footwear, replacing running shoes regularly, and taking care of our muscles through stretching and strengthening exercises, we can protect our feet and knees and continue to lead healthy and active lives. Conclusion. In summary, taking care of our feet and knees is crucial for our overall health and well-being, particularly as we age. By investing in good footwear, regularly replacing running shoes, and taking care of our muscles through stretching and strengthening exercises, we can protect our feet and knees and continue to lead active and fulfilling lives. Finally, let's not forget to check in with our parents and loved ones to ensure they're wearing proper footwear and taking care of their feet and knees as well. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.